Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen monthly, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, maybe even potentially a 1, 2, 3 of wave C because this looks like a big ABC correction on the monthly. I still think it needs to go up and take out the high wave A before we see a big wave forward and another push up for wave 5 to complete this ABC pattern. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely still very bullish. I think that we're in a subdivision wave 3 right now. I think there's a 1 of 3 and a 2 of 3 down here, and I think this is all just a subdivision of a big wave 3. I don't really see a fib bounce. I don't really see a lower high or anything like that telling me that the trend is over. Like I was showing on the monthly, I think it's more likely overall on the weekly and monthly that it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I definitely don't see any reason to think this is over. I mean, yeah, we did make a move down, but it's probably just going to be another subdivision, just another correction to the uptrend, just like this back here was a correction to the uptrend. So I'm definitely still looking for longs, primarily on shorter time frames, until this daily time frame tells me otherwise. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, some of the yen pairs do look like they could possibly make a move down, like a wave C, because this looks like a trend. Could be a wave A. This actually could be a wave B, and it possibly could go down for a wave C. So if we see a Fibonacci bounce, nice big engulfing move to the downside, then you could definitely take that as a short for the wave C. I definitely would be patiently waiting for the end of the ABC correction for the continuation of the uptrend. And oftentimes, like I say to my members, sometimes what you think is a wave B will actually just keep on trending up. So, I mean, sometimes it is worth getting in, even if you think it's a wave B, because sometimes a wave B will just turn into the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it could possibly be a wave B. So if we get a Fibonacci bounce with a big engulfing move to the downside with a breaker structure, you could definitely take that as a short. And like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, it would probably at that point go down for a wave C. But like I said, I don't really see any evidence right now that it is a wave B. And oftentimes what you think is a wave B will just keep on trending up. So I personally, until I see like a big breaker structure to the downside, proving that it really is a wave B, I definitely would be continuing to look for longs at the end of any pullbacks that I see for the continuation of this uptrend, at least until the daily time frame and up tell me otherwise. I am definitely primarily a buyer at the end of pullbacks around the 1 to 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.